Google just launched their brand new AI professional certificate on Coursera, and whether you're a student, a fresher, or someone exploring AI, you need to check this out. Now, as you already know, Google Career Certificates has always had a solid reputation. Over 1 million people have completed them globally, and Google has even built an employer consortium. That means 150 plus companies, including the likes of Deloitte, Accenture, Bank of America, Walmart, who look for certificate holders when hiring for entry-level jobs. It's a credible, low-cost, and skill-based credential that opens doors, especially if you're a fresher. And when this is combined with hands-on experience with real projects, it becomes more effective in helping you become job-ready. But this new AI certificate is different from anything Google has done before. This is an 8-hour program which you can very easily complete within 1 to 2 days. It teaches you how to become genuinely effective at using AI for real work. See, most people today use AI as a basic search engine. Type something, get a generic answer, and move on. But this program teaches you how you can leverage AI tools to create value. I went through this entire certificate, which has 7 different courses, and let me show you what you will learn in each of them so you can decide ultimately if you should sign up for the AI professional certificate by Google or not. The first one is the AI fundamentals course. Very simple, very easy. You will learn about the fundamentals of generative AI. For example, why do tools hallucinate? What are tokens? And why is context engineering so crucial? And many more. You will learn how to give effective prompts to generate high quality outputs for tasks. Now think of this course as the building block for what is to come. The second course in the certificate is AI for brainstorming and planning. You take a rough idea like a concept note or a brief, you feed it into AI and then come out with an effective plan to get started on it. You will also learn how to prioritize plans or ideas in this course, which will help you in becoming a better decision maker, better planning, and ultimately better productivity. Above everything else, taught me how to spot gaps in things that I would have otherwise overlooked when I was on my own. It is basically training you to think more systematically and critically, which will improve your judgment over time. Now, if you're liking this video so far, make sure that you hit the like button. I come up with a lot of content to help you upskill with AI every single month. So make sure you subscribe as well. But the third course is AI and research and insights. With the Gemini Deep Research feature, you can combine data from various sources and combine it into one single report. And this course teaches you how you can use the Gemini Deep Research feature at the best. You also learn to build Gemini Gems, which are custom AI experts that can help you get new perspectives on your work. Now, whether you're writing a college assignment or writing for social media, this course turns Gemini into your personal deep research assistant. The fourth course is AI in writing and communication. I think this is the most interesting course that I would have taken directly, but you cannot. The next course unlocks once you finish the previous one. Anyways, this one teaches you how to improve your communication and writing with the help of AI. You get to learn new frameworks and techniques that can help you write more effectively and communicate with people, and especially when conversations get tough. There is a feature called Gemini Live where you're literally speaking to an AI. It role plays as a scenario for you. It could be a tough conversation, an interview, or a presentation. And at the end of the session, it gives you deep feedback about your tone and delivery. Now for freshers especially, I think this is a very useful practice. Course number 5 is AI for content creation. And this is where you learn to create stunning images and videos using Gemini's latest image and video generation models. Not just this, it even teaches you how to make better presentations. Now, since so many of us want to become content creators, it only makes sense for you to learn what works on social media, whatever visuals hook people in. And this course in this program teaches you everything you need to know about it from the lens of using AI to become better creators. The 6th course is AI in data analysis. Now, in your daily life, there must be some stuff that you want to analyze or track, but you really have no time for it. Using Excel yourself and writing formulas and learning about the mumbo jumbo can take forever. And because of that, most people never start with analyzing or tracking important things in their life. Well, this course teaches you exactly that, powered with AI. It helps you cut down on your repetitive and heavy load tasks that can eat up 5 to 6 hours of your day. The coolest thing I saw was there's a feature in which you can take a screenshot of a table and give it to Gemini and watch it build a real, actual working spreadsheet just from a single screenshot. That is insane. That's a real time saver for anyone dealing with messy information. All right, now with all of that, the last course, course 7, is AI for app building. Another exciting course, and this one helps you develop vibe coding skills using Google's AI Studio, where you will get to build practical apps without writing a single line of code. Now, I've extensively used Google AI Studio to build different apps, to use the API key, and I'm always amazed by how I just write a single line of prompt and it creates these amazingly designed web pages, front ends that are actually interactive, and I can get things done with them. And you will learn the entire process of building such apps from scratch without coding. You get to build your own custom AI powered tool from scratch. See, the point is not to make you a developer. It is to show you that if you have a problem at work or in a project, you have the right tools and the skill sets to solve it on your own. By the time you finish this course, you will have real projects to add to your portfolio. At the end, when you complete the program, you will earn a Google Career Certificate. Now, this is the credential that comes from Google that you can put up on your LinkedIn profile, your CV, and your resume. It signals to employers that you've gone beyond just knowing about AI. You've actually experimented with the tools and built something great with it. So that was my review of the Google AI professional certificate available on Coursera. You can check out the course with a link in the description. Share this with someone who needs to see this video. Let me know if you have any questions about the entire certificate, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.